Hello everyone, it's Friday the 22nd of July, and this is part 7, the final part of my 3-ship Enterprise build, because as you can see, the ships are complete. Sit down so you can get a better look. So there's the original Enterprise. Move it over so you can get a shot of it by itself. There you go. There's the original Enterprise, all complete. Here's the Enterprise A, all complete, top and bottom thrusters. And the Enterprise B is all done. Got the registry number on, and what I also did is I painted the bottom tail fins. Now I tried to match you see the trim above the bridge? I tried to match that trim when I did the bottom thrusters, as you can see there. So what I did is I tested out all my aqua and turquoise, light blue. Now I realized that this golden blue here, golden teal, is going to be for the 23rd century. Turquoise for the Excelsior. So I ended up picking Deco Art Island Blue. That's the color I used for the bottom of the tail fins, as you can see there on the starboard tail fin. And what I did on the top is I painted it light gray, and then I realized, wait a minute, that's not an RCS thruster. That is actually a navigation light. So give me 1 minute, I have a slight correction to make. I'll be right back. Thanks for waiting, I'm back again. Alright, so as you can see, I did the port outer navigation light, and on the other top fin, I did the starboard one. There you go, you can see it. So that's good. The ship is now, the Enterprise B is now complete. Now you can see that there are different shades of blue based on which decal set I used. I mean, the Gizmotron, they're a straight blue, medium blue. The ones from Federation models are almost a teal, yes. And the ones on the top of the bridge are a slightly darker. They're almost the turquoise blue of the Excelsior. And if you look at the side of the engines, that is almost a teal, the Calypso Sky, that the Enterprise B should be in the 23rd century. So that's probably what I'll use. And then of course you see the bottom of the tail fins, which I tried to match the Calypso blue of the I tried to match the blue on the top of the bridge module. It's kind of blurry. Let's try that. Okay, there you go. Now you can see it. So that's good. All 3 ships are done. And I can start on Voyager now. I mean, finish Voyager. And so now I'm just going to put the ships one by one up on the shelf where they belong. So just give me 1 minute to do that. Alright, so first we'll move the original Enterprise onto the shelf. There. Then the Enterprise A. And then finally the 24th century Enterprise B. So all 3 ships are on the shelf. I can put my index cards, which I'll use for paint matching away. So you finally have... Oh, well, I guess I should get the box, shouldn't I? 1 sec. There we go. There's the box the ship came in. The 3 ships. And there are the 3 ships in front of their box. I'm going to see if I can actually set them on top of their box for the display. So, there's two options. You can either have them on top of their box with the image showing from the side, which is probably better because they're covering up the top image anyway. So, 3 more ships complete of my shipbuilding collection, and now it's time to move on to the Voyager. So that'll be a brand new video that I will take to show my progress thus far, and I'll come back when I do that video. Talk to y'all later.